Squeeze. Squeeze. To press something tightly. He squeezed the juice out of the orange. Crush. Crush. To press something so hard that it breaks. He crushed the can after drinking. Press. Press. To push down on something. Press the button to start the machine. Pop out. Pop out. To suddenly appear or come out. The cat popped out from behind the curtain. Ring. Ring. To twist something to remove liquid. He wrung out the wet cloth. Crumple. Crumple. To crush into folds or wrinkles. She crumpled the paper and threw it away. Come to. Come to. To regain consciousness or awareness. She fainted but soon came to. Get over. Get over. To recover from something, like an illness or sadness. It took her a while to get over the breakup. Fight off. Fight off. To resist or defend against something harmful. He fought off the flu with medicine. Come down with. Come down with. To become sick with something. She came down with a cold. Run over. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The car ran over a small animal. Pass away. Pass away. To die. His grandfather passed away last year. Peel off. Peel off. To remove the outer layer. She peeled off the skin of the apple. Crack open. Crack open. To break open something. He cracked open the egg. Take off. Take off. To remove something, like clothing, or for a plane to leave the ground. She took off her jacket. Twist off. Twist off. To remove something by twisting it. She twisted off the bottle cap.